Hello people, so this is my second video of the day, and people, I have to tell you this about my life of late. Today I distributed little, chips packet in office because as of 2 days ago, it's like my the number of views on my YouTube has crossed 10,000. Can you believe it? 10,000 views. So for me, it was a very big deal. So I just felt I should share this happiness with people. And thank you, all you sweethearts who've been watching my videos. Thank you, people. I can't thank you all enough. And I think I need to hold this phone in a certain way that I don't look as chubby as I do. What to do? But it's okay. So yeah. Um, Today my little sister called me on the gave me a video call when I was traveling in the metro, so it felt so good. She wanted to see the the whatever the landscape, so she's in Washington right now. So anyway, people, I'm rambling, but this was my second video and it felt good to share that. So on that note, thanks for watching, people, and please subscribe.